video series, we are seeing VBA for beginners. Till now, we have seen example 13. That means a total 13 examples I have explained. And if you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section. I'll just get back to you at the earliest possible. Now we are moving to example number 14. So what is this example number 14 in the series of this particular chat GPT? Through chat GPT, I got all these small examples so that all the beginners, you will be able to understand this. Example 14 is for autofill numbers 1 to 10 in a particular row. That means what we are going to do here in Excel is, I'll just click any sheet. So which sheet you want? This sheet number 4. We'll just go here, come down here. So in this row, let me just select it. Okay, this is how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is how we are just going to fill it automatically through this. Okay. So once you know this, how to fill this 10 cells in a row, particular this thing, you can just fill it any number, maybe 700, 800, 1,000, 1 lakh like this, right? So this is how we are going to do this now. So we are going to do it in this same place, not in the same place, this yellow color area, that is a row number 31 from F31 to O31. We are just going to fill it, okay? Right. So this is the program which is being copied from this particular area from ChatGPT, and I'm coming to this place. Our module 1 is here, and I have just pasted here. So if anyone wanted to know what is this example number, here we can just make the single quote and then type it as a command line. Okay, it's a command line only. It is not the line which is going to be executed. So it has to be started with example, this single quote. Example 14. So this is example 13 as I explained in my previous video, single quote, example 13. So example 14, what is this says about here is dim I as integer for I equal to 1 to 10. Cells 1 means this is row number 1, okay? And this is I means column. Column I means this is variable. It's not exactly I column like this. You should not think about this column is this particular I column. No, it is not so. I means the number assigned by this particular command. First, it will give I equal to 1 and then process this cycle, and then next I will jump to this loop again. Okay, it will just jump to this loop again like this. From here to here, it will just go here. Okay, now 1 is completed. Now second is done, right? So when second is there, then again this next I will go and then just make it as 2. Then again it will jump and then 3 like this. So what is happening here is cells. Cells is there, no? Cells 1, 1. Then second cycle it will be 1, 2. And third cycle it is 1, 3. Like this dot, it will be going up to 1, 10. So that means the first one is row and second one is column. So column is being changed from 1 to 10. Okay, but what I wanted is F31 to O31. Okay, so row number 31 means this one, everything it is 1, 1, 1, 1, keep on giving us. So instead of that, we have to change it to 31. Okay, so what we are going to do now here is instead of this 1, I would like to change it to 31. And instead of this I equal to 1 to 10, I would like to change it to 31 to, what is the column number of this? Not 31. Column number F is what is the number we should know. Okay. So if you do not know, you can just go and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 is the number. From the 6 plus 9, which is going to be 15. So with this, we are just going to complete 10 column. Okay. So why I'm taking this 9 is you have to know this for getting this 10 cells. 6 to 15. So shall we check this? This is your 6th column. This is your 7th column. This is your 8th column, 9th column, 10th column, 11th column, 12th column. Okay, I'll put it in the next line so that you'll be able to understand. then 13th column. This is 14th column. This is 15th column. So this is matching with these our numbers here 1 to 10, right? So in this yellow color, we are just going to get it because of this column number is for F is 6. We are changing the code from I is 6 to 15. Column number for O is it is 15. So shall we check this now with the line by line? Yes. In the previous example, I have just explained in the same way, which we are just going to do it now. Like this toolbar. In the toolbar, this is the toolbar. What kind of toolbar it is? This is debug toolbar. If debug toolbar is not available, how to go on to get it? Go to view, click on this toolbar. Debug is now selected. I have just removed it. Again, the debug toolbar is required to see what is happening here. So I need to go to toolbar and then enable this debug toolbar. So you are getting this toolbar. Okay, you can just keep it wherever you want. Right. Now, this side, I just want to keep all this yellow color area is visible here. Okay, so I'll just reduce this thing. All yellow color area is going to be visible from F31 to O31. It is going to be visible now. We are going to see action being done one step by one. Step by step, we are going to see here. Okay, the yellow color. Just see here, keep your cursor on this, or if you want to see this, just click on this. Which macro is this? Fill row is the macro name. You are able to see the macro name here. And this command line with the single quote will not be executed. So right now I can keep my any cursor any place, but when I just jump to this this debug tool and then come to the step into icon, click on this, it will immediately go to the first line of the macro, which is line number 21. You are able to see in this place. So this line is 21. Okay, from line number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, it is going to execute. Whereas 22 will not be executed because it is starting with this single quote, and this is a command line. We can just write whatever you want to write it. Okay. Right. Now, we are going to execute this yellow color line by pressing this step into button. Yes. So it has read the sub fill row macro and dim I as integer it is jumping and it is just creating this I as a variable. DIM means declaration of the variable I as integer. Integer number you are not aware. Okay. So I can hold only integer numbers. So for next loop, this is the for next loop is there. For I equal to 6, it is starting initial value 6. So the cell reference 31 comma I means 31st row and 6th row. First because we are taking I as 6. So 31, 31st row, column E. 6 is F, as we discussed here. So this is going to fill now. What is the value? This is equal to I. So it is going to create this value as 6. So instead of 6, I want to get this minus 5. So it is going to give now 1. Okay, because this formula also to be modified. Otherwise, it will create only 6 here. So shall we run and check it now? Yes. So this is selected these cells 31, all this thing, blah, blah, blah. Then it is going to execute. Now you're seeing this magic has happened, number 1. So next time, again, the loop is not completed because 6 to 15 has to be selected here. Okay, 6 to 15 has to be selected. We are just going to do it again here. So again, it is going to, second, it is number 2 is filled here. Next, step into, number 3 is going to be filled already. Yes. Number 4, number 5, I'll keep on pressing this. You're able to see the magic here. Okay. Now, what is the value for this I is 15. So the loop is completed. So it is going to escape to end sub and then program is completed. Okay. So this is how you have to learn as a beginner what is happening whenever we are creating particular line through all these 14 examples, whatever I have given. And I'm going to give you another 11 examples, which is going to make the total example as 25 examples. And if you practice all these 25 examples, then you will get some idea on how to make yourself as a successful beginner and then go for next intermediate learner. Okay, thank you very much. If you have already subscribed to my channel DPAB, thank you very much. But if you have not subscribed my channel DPAB, please do subscribe and press bell icon button so that you will be getting all the video notification, new videos, whatever I'm putting, you will be getting the notification and then you can keep it in your track and then come back to my new videos and learn it. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.